What's up, guys? So welcome to week 7 of the Neo breakdown, and I'm starting to like things a little bit more with what we're seeing in Neo. The past couple weeks have been quite scary. Am I right or am I wrong? Like, all this bearish action right off the hop was pretty much as soon as we started doing these weekly breakdowns is when the market started to correct. So it's cool to see when we might be seeing the bottom on a chart or when we might be seeing the top on a chart. It's cool to point these things out, and I don't know, I enjoy learning these things because it's all learning lessons. So for what we got here this week, I'm starting to see we're starting to base out, which is what we wanted. In last week's video, I stated that we really do want to hold this $31 range because that's where we marked a short-term bottom for what we know, but we need to hold that for sure, and we ended up holding around the $35 range, which is beautiful, man. Like, that's even better obviously than $31. So I'll have an eye kept on this specific area, looking for this to be our new demand zone. But for the meanwhile, I'm going to keep, when I zoom in on this like 2-hour or 4-hour time frame, whichever, I need to keep an eye on this downward descending triangle, just because if this breaks bearish, it's not looking too good. So I want to kind of keep that in mind. It should shape up and break bull, but who knows, right? We're starting to see a lot of supply in these ranges, so we might have to fight our way up, and if we have some trouble, it could end up breaking down, right? So when I invert the chart, and I don't really like doing this too much, but if I invert the chart, I'd be thinking, wow, dude, that looks bullish. Like, I really hope that goes up, right? That looks like it wants to go up. So when I invert it back, I can't be biased and say that this doesn't look like it could potentially go down some more. So we got to keep that in mind, although that we're starting to get a bullish pump in the market. If it is going to be bullish, what I am looking for is when we run the Fibonacci retracement from February 10th highs to March 5th lows, I want to see us, instead of reject the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, I want to break over it and make our way towards this GP. So that would be excellent. That's what I want to see for the bullish case. Otherwise, that is what I'm aware of. The stuff that I was talking about before is what I'm aware of for the bearish case, just in case things might go south. So that's what we got for this week's Neo breakdown. I'm thinking April might be bullish, so we might get a nice little bear trap in this area, and hopefully we get that big bounce. If that does happen, it would confirm that this is going to be a W pattern, which could look nice, right? If we get this nice 1, 2, if we get that would be obviously what everybody wants to see. I think that could be the least expected move, and I think that's what we might get if we get a bullish reaction in the coming months. So there's a good bull case or a bear case. Things should be interesting in the coming weeks. Let's see what happens. Easy, guys.